Hey folks, Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing. We are actually down here in Jefferson, South Carolina today. We're actually wrapping up a 13,000 square foot roofing job here on the church. We're actually at the Fort Creek Church again in Jefferson, South Carolina. We've installed a 40-year architectural shingle for this congregation and this group. And I'm down here with one of the members of the church. His name is Eddie, and we wanted to ask Eddie how he just kind of felt about the roof installation, how our crew did, and basically the overall experience so far he's had with the installation process. Eddie?
Well, we were in dire need of a roof. We had multiple leaks, and we traded to do with Southern Star Construction, and I've been well pleased with it. The crew is courteous and nice, and the work looks great, and they have done a great job. As you can see probably in the background how good it looks. And
yeah, Eddie, thank you.
You're welcome.
We appreciate that. We appreciate the church's trust. And folks, again, we're Southern Star Roofing. We serve both North and South Carolina, and we love to re-roof churches. So if there's anyone out there in your congregation is looking for an honest contractor, a well-insured contractor, a contractor that doesn't need a down payment to start a job, and a contractor that's going to put a lifetime warranty on their work, then give us a call. Again, you can find us online at southernstarroofing.com. Just search that name. You'll find us very, very public, and our telephone number to our direct office is 704-YES-ROOF. Again, that telephone number is 704-YES-ROOF. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today, and we wish everybody a blessed upcoming weekend. Thanks so much. Goodbye.